It is very important to step up your game as a man from time to time. Because when you step up your game as a man, you will definitely attract high-value ladies and high-valued personality into your life. And the number one way you can step up your game as a man is to set a SMART goal. And what do I mean by a SMART goal? S stands for specific goal, M stands for measurable goal, A stands for achievable goals, R stands for relevant goals, and T stands for time back. This will provide clarity and direction, helping you still focus on your priorities. You don't just do anything anyhow. You don't try to do so many things at a time. Setting a SMART goal helps you step up your game as a man. Another way you can step up your game as a man is to build your integrity. Integrity is very important. And you can build your integrity by always keeping to your promise and keeping to appointments. If you keep doing that, people tend to trust you and they will commit important things into your hand. You will build strong connection because somebody will tell another person about you. Another person will tell somebody about you. Before you know, your integrity will bring you close to people that matters, people that will help you. And before you know it, integrity will make cash flow in your pockets. So it is very important you build your integrity if you want to step up your game as a man. Continuous learning is another way to step up your game as a man. Don't stop learning. Not even in this era of technology. The train is moving. Move with the train. Learn what people are learning. Don't just decide to just be stagnant while people are moving. Surround yourself with people with positive vibes. Surround yourself with people that you know will help you. Don't surround yourself with people that they are negative minded and don't know what they are doing. If you do that, they'll keep dragging you down. Learn to always support others too in their endeavors, because you might be their support today. You can't really tell if they are the one that will also assist you in another aspect tomorrow. It's very important to build a positive connection if you want to step up your game as a man. Always learn to take care of yourself. It is very important. Despite the fact that you're trying to be the responsible dad and the responsible guy, you still need to take care of yourself, because this life is soldier go, soldier come, barracks still remain. That thing you're putting all your effort to the extent that you did not even pay attention to your health. If you break down, sincerely speaking, somebody else is gonna do your work. That is why you should learn to always take care of yourself. A healthy body, it's a healthy mind. When you're healthy, you will be able to think straight.